I don't see any lights.
Right up here by the stoplight, there's already a cop car sitting there.
Yeah, he's probably just patrolling. He's probably just patrolling.
I think that's the same spot where you said that there's a car accident also.
There was.
It's like between turn left going to Jessica.
No, it's before
No,
that.
it's before that.
This is by the bar.
See, there's no cop.
Yeah, there's a cop up there.
Oh, I can see him.
By the next light, you can see the light flicker. See it?
Yeah, I see it. I wonder if he's gonna get in the highway. Try to do one of those Austin drift moves, huh?
It's after this.
Probably he or she's drunk.
Probably.
For sure. Because there's no snow. It's not raining.
It's
It's not foggy.
it's kind of slippery.
Yeah, but if they come over the... it's not icy. Jessica said they were coming this way. Like over in that lane, and the car is over on this side in the ditch upside down.
So it's like it's just alone. There's no other car.
That's what she said.
Got the green light to go.
We'll find out. It's right up here.
Can't see any lights though.
They'll have it lit up. Don't worry.
A little up.
Why is this too far? I thought it's just only down
I
there.
told you guys.
Because Brian, when we saw down there in Walmart area or no Walgreens, it looks like it's close. How come it's nothing in here?
You'll see when we get over the hill here. It'll all be lit up like a Christmas tree.
Ooh, it is almost Christmas, so why not? Why not enjoy the moment? Oh, whoa, we got a catastrophe of police, lots of people. That is a lot. Holy cow.
See?
Yep.
Look at them all.
It's a lot. We got the cars lined up here. Yep. Holy cow. Volunteers, I think. Got 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. There's the... Oh, there's a bright light. There's the firefighter to direct us. Look at all these
There's
volunteers.
the car upside down there. Right down there, see it?
Huh? Look at all those... Oh, yeah. It's a truck, it looks like.
It's a big guy.
It's 2 people, wow.
Look at there's mud all over the road. Holy cow, he came through here.
Whoa, there's his light.
Ah, so he's on the outside.
Yeah, that's what Jessica said.
See that red light? Whoa.
He's a big guy.
Yeah?
Did you see it?
Oh.
Big guy.
Wow, that's a lot. Now where we're headed to?
Probably he hit the post, Brian.
No, he couldn't. He was probably doing a legal U-turn.
So he's from there and then he goes here.
Right.
Drunk.
Drunk. You're right, Jennifer.
Probably wanted to act a little stupid and try and do a turn over here. And then he probably went to this road where we are right now, try to do a legal U-turn. Came through, probably didn't know which way he was going. Wow.
Now we can see again.
Yeah, I don't know why they didn't call Cherryvale.
Oh, they probably
Why is
did.
he out there, right?
There's one right at.
See, now you'll have to watch. You'll see the tracks.
And you can see the post also, Brian.
Yeah,
I don't think so.
we'll get a better view.
Okay,
We'll get a much better view.
Yeah.
You can still see them. Yeah, you can still see the lights.
I'm glad there's no other car, Brian, on that side.
Well, there probably was involved. There probably was one involved, but probably. Remember
There's
that?
somebody coming and he just.
Right before the.
Maybe he saw a deer and just kind of swiveled. You know? It always
Right
happens.
before the fire truck, you can see where he went across the road.
Some old dude's like, what the heck happened here? Okay, I wasn't involved. You see his light, like his tail light is over here.
Right there.
Yeah, there's his tail light. And there's the car in the ditch. Get him. Look at all these cop cars.
I think it's only one person.
Yeah, that's the mobile station.
He's almost hit the post.
Oh, if it was on this part, we would be stuck
We should
forever.
go here and park.
Whoa, a little too much
Who
violence.
knows? You know, maybe the guy had a heart attack or something. He looked like a big guy.
Big guy.
Probably did.